This is a series of videos on Autocad 2019 tutorials by Professor N. C. Deshpande. In the third video on Autocad 2019 interface, we are going to explore Info Center, View Cube and Navigation Bar. In the previous video, we learned about the ribbon interface. Now, let us understand about Info Center. This is the Info Center. You can get offline and online help on any command or word which is typed here. For example, let us know more about command window. First choice is it will search online help. If you are not online, then offline help should have been installed. Then you will get offline help about the command or word which you type here in this search bar. You have to sign in to your Autodesk account for accessing online help, videos, tutorials and content. This is Autodesk 360 community. This is to access the help online or offline. Next, we come to this view cube. It is called as view cube. We can change the orientation of the view by using this wheel. Front view, top view, right hand side view, and left hand side view. This is not actual orientation. We see from the south side for front view and then click on the top for the top view. By default, it will give you the top view for the drawing. We are drawing on the top surface. This is mostly used when we work in 3D modeling space. You may not use it for drafting purpose. If you stuck up somewhere or you orient it in the wrong way, you can click the home button. So then click on the top. It will come to the default orientation. This is the next element, is called as navigation bar. Here you have different buttons which are useful for navigation in your graphic window. Navigation wheel is useful for 3D drawings or models. Then pan. Pan is used for moving around the screen. When you select pan, you can move around the screen by dragging the hand left, right, up, down, or diagonally. Anyway, you can move around the graphic area. It is like you are moving the drawing sheet to bring particular part of the drawing into focus. Next is zoom. By default is extent, that is whichever drawing area you have defined, it will zoom to cover that complete area. Other options are also available for zoom. Zoom window, zoom previous, zoom real time, zoom all. When you click zoom all, everything which you are drawn will come into focus. Then another button is there which is called as orbit. This is again useful in 3D modeling. It is not useful in drafting and annotation mode. Then show motion, how you have moved around in the drawing. It is capturing all those steps. When you click show motion, it will show the steps in the sequence in which you have executed them. Navigation bar can be customized. You may not need show motion, deselect. So it has been removed from the visible buttons. Orbit and steering wheel also you can switch off, because these are mostly useful in 3D modeling. In drafting, you may use only two buttons, that is pan and zoom, or you may not even use these buttons, because for pan alternative is available, that is you click the wheel, mouse wheel, you get this pan option, and then you keep it pressed and move around the screen by moving the mouse in the required direction. You release the mouse wheel, you come back to the view. For zoom, again alternative is available, that is you move the mouse wheel forward, you can zoom in. You move the mouse wheel backward, you can zoom out. And when you click the mouse wheel 2 times, it is zoom to extent. Whatever drawing extent you have defined, everything will be visible by double clicking the center wheel of the mouse. So this is all about info center, view cube and navigation bar.